If you're coming from classic UModeler, UModeler X will feel familiar, but it's built on a completely new foundation. UModeler X takes things even further by providing all the features needed for full 3D content creation inside of Unity. UModeler X isn't just an upgrade to the old UModeler, it establishes a new standard for asset generation directly within the Unity editor. The redesigned toolset makes it easy for classic UModeler users to convert their existing work and continue their projects without starting over. Tools like UModelerize let you convert your mesh to the new format quickly, and new features like Quantify make it simple to convert your triangles into clean quad geometry. Now, for example, here we have both classic UModeler and UModelerX installed at the same time, which works perfectly. Now I want to convert this mesh from the old system to the new one. This object was originally created using the classic UModeler. With your object selected, right-click in the hierarchy, go over to UModelerX and choose one of the UModeler options. It's quick and simple, just like before. And of course, many of the tools you already know, like my favorite, the push-pull tool, along with extruding and cutting, are all still there. But now they've been rebuilt to be more precise and more stable. Some of the biggest changes come from how the tools are organized and how the different modes work. Everything is neatly arranged for quick access, and when you select a tool, its properties appear immediately, giving you more control. This new interface also introduces new modes like modifiers, AI generation, rigging, and painting. If you're used to your original UModeler workflow, the transition is straightforward. But everything else feels smoother, faster, and more modern. UModelerX is built to handle more complex meshes, provide a much more efficient pipeline, and you're doing it all within Unity.